Hello guys, and welcome back for another video. And today we're going to be playing Minecraft. And I'm playing Minecraft on the Xbox 360. And today we're going to be trying to build a fidget spinner. So yeah, I have 3 blocks I think I might need for the fidget spinner. So yeah, let's build it. Let's start building this thing. So maybe like that. And just to let you know, I do not have any instructions with me, like, to how to build one. Just trying to think. How would it look? Let's see. Wait a second, it's round at the bottom, isn't it? So it's like round a bit. Like that. Might break on. Round and then there's a big circle. Anyway, this is going to be a terrible fidget spinner. I know it is. Then that. Let's do that, and then we go here. But let me try to make this even. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's even. And then I'll have to do that. Go up there. And I'll do the same thing like I did before. How high is it? I've got to make it that high. Yep, that's the same. Pretty sure. Then you go across. Oh, almost forgot. There we go. And then we're going to go down here. There we go. It doesn't look too bad, I guess. And then we... that. Then we do a... maybe like that, and then we do that. But whoops. That. Gone. And then I'm going to be doing a green fidget spinner. Sorry if I'm not talking too much because I'm just trying to concentrate. So up there, or not there. And well, let me just do one thing. Okay, so there, up here, then like that. It's not looking too bad. Oh, I have to make some more circle. That means I just don't make it too far apart. Let's try that. Let's try that, shall we? Because everyone makes mistakes when they're building. And then you can repair it after. Then you can break that. Wait, you do that. You go up here, do that. That doesn't look too bad. Guess what now? Let's start for this. Then you can put black here. Let's do that. Here. And over here. Here, now fill up all this. It's actually not too bad fidget spinner, gotta say. Let's have a look at it right now. See how that looks. That doesn't look too bad. I like that. So now we're gonna do. Should we add any detail? No. So that this is my fidget spinner. I am done. So yeah. Wait, I have a fun idea. I'm going to change the fidget spinner a bit. Just going to do that. And there. Now I'm going to do now, where's the mob I need? I need a certain mob. Where is it? Oh, where is he? Where did you go? Don't run away from me. Where is he? Okay, guys, I'll be back when I found the mob. Okay, guys, I found the mob I need. So oh, wait, this is maximum of eggs. Let's kill some mob, shall we? Probably in here. Yeah, that's the reason. Just gonna put it on peaceful. And then put it back on easy. And there we should have all the mobs out of the world. And then we can just quickly place them. There we go. Now, boom. Boom. And boom. Now it's an archer fidget spinner. So, guys, that is my... Let me just do this. Kill these. I'm just doing that to show you. So you can be, let me just do this, kill this, and I'll tell you what I was about to say. So this is my fidget spinner. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want me to do more videos like this, like a building challenge, leave a thumbs up on this video. So, and you can do this, you can like do these competitions too in your videos. So if you have a YouTube video, like YouTube account and stuff, yeah. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. So yeah, that's my fidget spinner, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.